Hey, happy Tuesday. Today, we got to get this squat challenge in. Make it happen wherever you're at. Kids are playing at the park. There's a whole open field behind me. So we're gonna do some squats, body weight. I'm not in any attire to work out. Took my shoes off. Can run in my socks. Got me a quick little warm up. And now we're gonna get some squats in for the day. Right, body weight, let's get it. Now, small tips when we're doing squats. Make sure, like we say, getting your feet set is very important. Getting stable on a stable surface. The grass can sometimes be not that good of a surface, but like I said, you got to make do where you're at. Also, when you're getting ready to do some squats, a few things before you start: get your feet set. Then go ahead and work on your breathing. I did a few sprints. I shouldn't be breathing this hard, but obviously I need to do more. But get your feet set. Breathe a little bit. Focus on your core. All right, so like I said, we're not doing any type of exercises. I think the bee wanted to say hi to me, so we're gonna just, get out of their home. But all right, let's get these 10 knocked out. Stop procrastinating. Like I said, get your feet set. Wiggle your toes. That makes sure that you're on your heels. So when you're gonna squat back like you're sitting in a chair. Go ahead and tighten your abs. Take a deep breath in and squat. 1, 2. Now when you come up on your squats, squeeze your booty cheeks together. We want to get every little bit of the squat. We want to utilize every muscle, all right? So go ahead and wiggle those toes, tighten your abs, take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's also good to make sure when you get your 10 in, while you're doing your squats, you are looking up towards the sky, towards the roof, towards the ceiling, wherever you're at. Make sure your head is up. You want to keep your back straight, your spine aligned. We don't need any injuries. So let's go ahead and knock out 10 more. Like I said, throughout the course of your day, I woke up this morning, my legs were a little bit sore. My back's not always been the best. Whatever that word was. So I tend to have like lower back issues, which means typically I need to tighten my core, work on my core, strengthening my core so that I can also strengthen my lower back. As you see, I'm trying to get into the shade a little bit because this sun is no joke. And it is getting me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 10 more in right in this little shade spot. I think it was about 15-30 second break. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. That's already 2 sets down, and that took no time. Maybe you have a busy life. Maybe you're at work. I often, when I was working my 9-to-5 jobs or overnight, during my breaks, I would use that as a time to do my little exercises. It does help with energy, helps with breathing. It helps you get more focused throughout the workday, especially if you're having a stressful one, which often happens in a workplace. So, all my talking that I do, go ahead and see if I can get and knock out about 10 more for you guys. Ready? Let's get it. Go ahead, plant my feet, wiggle my toes, tighten my core, check on my baby at the park, and 10 more. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Woo, I'm sweating up a storm. It's hot.